Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your planning briefing for July 16th. First peek at the weather threat matrix. Friday is our main focus. We're going to have a relatively dry cold front pass through on Friday. Winds are going to pick up in western Montana. We're going to have fairly low min-RHs. We're going to have a chance of a few thunderstorms along the divide in northwest and in southwest Montana. Looking beyond that, this weekend and early next week, a few thunderstorms will be possible, mostly just along the divide. So let's focus in on Friday. As far as west central Montana is concerned, we're expecting afternoon RH to drop into the mid to upper 20% range. We're going to have gusty winds anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour. But in southwest Montana, min-RH is going to drop into the teens on Friday afternoon and evening with gusts anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour. So it does look like some critical fire weather conditions for southwest Montana, fire weather zone 111 and the southern half of fire weather zone 110. Certainly a concern, if a fire were to get going, that would have could have extreme behavior and spread. So something to keep in mind. That is definitely the focus for Friday afternoon and evening. To kind of further emphasize that point, here's a look at the hot, dry, windy index for a point in southwest Montana. And compared to climatology, the event on Friday afternoon is above the 95th percentile. So it does stand out for those the spots that have susceptible fuels. Now we had talked about thunderstorms. This is a general outlook here. This is for Friday, so you can see the chance of a few thunderstorms in southwest Montana. I think there may also be a few that graze along the Canadian border on Friday, something to keep in mind. And then a similar setup for Saturday, right along the divide and into southwest Montana. And like I mentioned earlier, that continues Sunday into early next week, kind of that real similar pattern of just a few thunderstorms along the divide. Now looking at some high temperature forecasts for Missoula, Grangeville, Kalispell, and Butte. You can see our high today being Thursday, fairly warm. We drop down Friday into the weekend to more seasonable levels, and then we do warm right back up again early next week. Now we'll check in real quick with that Highway 95 Rockslide. Still looks warm and dry through early next week. High temperatures in the low to mid 90s, and it looks like we have fairly low rain chances, right near zero all the way through. We are watching for some possible moisture the middle and latter part of next week, which could bring some thunderstorms to the whole area, including the Riggins area. Now kind of speaking toward that, looking at the middle and latter part of next week, we're going to have increased moisture in the desert southwest associated with the southwest monsoon, and some of that moisture may sneak up through the Great Basin and then rotate through the southern half of the area, say south of I-90. And so we may end up with an increase in thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. Something we'll definitely keep an eye on. As far as temperatures look to be slightly above normal for this time of year, for that same time period, the middle latter part of next week. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email. You have a good day. Bye now.